Concept and Covenants. Introduction. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world, from birth until death. These rights are universal, meaning they apply to everyone, no matter where they live, what they believe, or who they are. Human rights protect our dignity and freedom and ensure that every individual can live a life of equality, justice, and respect. Concept of human rights. Definition. Human rights are the fundamental rights that every person has simply because they are human beings. These include the right to life, liberty, equality, freedom of speech, and the right to education, among others. Characteristics. Universal. They apply to all people everywhere. Inalienable. They cannot be taken away or given up. Indivisible. All rights are equally important and cannot be separated. Equality and non-discrimination. Every person is entitled to these rights without discrimination. Purpose. The main purpose of human rights is to protect individuals from abuse and injustice, and to ensure freedom, equality, and peace in society. Categories. Civil and political rights, such as the right to vote, freedom of speech, and protection from torture. Economic, social, and cultural rights, such as the right to education, work, health care, and an adequate standard of living. Human rights covenants. Covenants are important international agreements or treaties that countries sign to protect human rights. The two main covenants adopted by the United Nations are International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR 1966. Protects rights like freedom of speech, freedom of religion, right to fair trial, and the right to life. Countries that sign this agree to respect and protect these rights for their citizens. International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, ICSCR 1966. Covers rights such as the right to education, health, work, and social security. Countries commit to taking steps to improve living conditions and provide these rights. Together with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 1948, these two covenants form the core of international human rights law. Human rights in the Indian context. Constitutional protection. India was one of the first countries to include human rights in its constitution after independence. The Constitution provides fundamental rights to all citizens which protect human rights, such as Right to Equality, Article 14. Right to Freedom of Speech and Expression, Article 19. Right to Life and Personal Liberty, Article 21. Right Against Exploitation, Article 23 and 24. Cultural and Educational Rights, Article 29 and 30. Directive Principles of State Policy. These are guidelines in the Constitution that direct the government to promote social welfare and economic rights, like providing education and improving living conditions. Human Rights Commissions. India has set up the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, to protect and promote human rights in the country. It investigates violations and recommends actions. Challenges in India. Despite legal protections, India faces challenges like discrimination, poverty, child labor, and gender inequality which affect human rights. The government and civil society work continuously to improve the situation. Role of judiciary. The Indian courts have been active in protecting human rights by interpreting laws and the constitution in a way that safeguards individual freedoms. Importance of human rights. Human rights are essential for building a fair and just society. They protect individuals from discrimination and abuse. They promote peace, security, and development. In India, respecting human rights helps unite a diverse population and supports democracy. Conclusion: human rights are the foundation of human dignity and freedom. The international covenants like ICCPR and ICSCR give a global framework to protect these rights. In India, the Constitution guarantees fundamental rights that align with human rights principles, ensuring every citizen can live with dignity, freedom, and equality. Protecting human rights is crucial for India's growth and democracy.